Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 4B from chapter expansions. So starting with question number 11, if x is not equal to 0 and x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2, then show that x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. We have to prove these three equal. Okay, for that we need to find the values of these three. ये तीनों का value same आएगा, then only we can say that this is equal to this is equal to this. Okay, so we need to find the value of each of these. Okay, now we'll write down the given first for that. All right, this one is very easy, students. Now we are given x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2. Where x is not equal to 0. This is important, x should not be equal to 0 because x is in denominator. Okay, so if it is equal to 0, then 1 upon 0 it is undefined. Now first part mein there is square, so what we will do? Square on both the sides. Simple. So write LHS, put bracket square, write RHS, put bracket square, give reason squaring on both the sides. Alright, now use the formula, use the identity. Okay, this is of the form a plus 1 upon a the whole square. A plus 1 upon a the whole square. A की जगह पे there is x. Alright, so x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square हो जाएगा ये. ठीक है. If you don't know the identity, you can use a plus b the whole square का identity. So a square plus 2ab plus b square x will get cancelled, so you get 2 only over here. This is equal to 4. We'll shift 2 on the other side. So x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 4 minus 2. This will become negative. So x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 2. We get this. Mark this as a. Okay. इसका वैल्यू मिल गया, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर का वैल्यू वी गॉट. व्हाट डिड वी डू? फर्स्ट पार्ट में देयर इज स्क्वायर, सो वी स्क्वायर्ड ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. सिंपल, स्क्वायर कर दिया दोनों साइड्स पे एंड देन यूज द आइडेंटिटी. सो वी गॉट द वैल्यू. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट में देयर इज क्यूब. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? क्यूब ऑन बोथ द साइड्स. Okay, so now let us find the answer for the second part. Now write down the LHS, put brackets cube, write down the RHS, put brackets cube, give reason cubing on both the sides. Now this is of the form a plus 1 upon a the whole cube. A plus 1 upon a, x है a की जगह पे. ठीक है, so a cube plus 3 into a plus 1 upon a plus 1 upon a cube. This is the formula. In place of a there is x, so x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. Simple. Okay, now x cube and 1 upon x cube I'll keep as it is because I need the value. 3 into x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x is nothing but 2, so I'll substitute the value. Over here on RHS, I forgot to write RHS, 2 cube is 8. Okay, x plus 1 upon x का value is 2, so I'll substitute the value in next step. So x cube plus 3 into 2 plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 8. Alright, so this will become 6. I'll shift 6 on the other side. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 8 minus 6, which gives 2. So इसका वैल्यू भी 2 आया. x square plus 1 upon x square का वैल्यू is 2. Even this इसका वैल्यू is 2. Mark this as B. Now third one, x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. For that what you will do? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर जो मिला है उसको स्क्वायर कर देते हैं. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर लास्ट पार्ट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक रेस टू 4. RHS तो ठीक है, वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. डू आई हैव आइडेंटिटी फॉर x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स द होल रेस टू 4? Do I have identity for a plus b the whole raised to 4? We have not learnt identity for a plus b raised to 4. So what we will do, x square plus 1 upon x square, we got the value for this, it is 2 only. Okay, we'll square this, put bracket square, because we will get x square. Okay, this is x square. When you put brackets and square, this is of the form a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square क्या हो जाएगा? a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a का square, this is a का square. So 2 into 2 will give 4. So I'm getting power 4. Same thing over here, I'll get power 4. Okay, so this is the reason जो x square plus 1 upon x square मिला है, square it on both the sides. So put bracket square, give reason squaring on both the sides. Simple. Okay, now we'll solve. a plus b the whole square का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं. So x square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So b is 1 upon x square. So b का square is equal to 2 square, that is 4. Okay, x square will get cancelled. 2 into 2 gives 4. Indices का laws, ठीक है, law of indices. Now 2 into 1 will give 2 plus 1 का स्क्वायर 1, x स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर, करेक्ट, and this is equal to 4. I'll shift 2 on the other side. X raised to 4 plus this will become 1 upon x raised to 4. I'll multiply the powers. Okay, now if I had x cube raised to 2, what I would do? 3 into 2, that would be equal to x raised to 6. Okay, if I had x raised to 4 का square, so I would multiply the powers, it would be x raised to 8. So same thing over here, I'm multiplying the powers. This is basic law of indices. Okay, so this is equal to 4 minus 2, 2 shift हो गया यहाँ पे, ठीक है. So this is equal to 2. Mark this as C. Now A, B and C, तीनों का RHS we got 2. Okay, this is also 2, this is also 2, this is also 2. So if RHS of all A, B and C का equations is same, then LHS is also same. Okay, so therefore this is equal to this is equal to this. So you just need to write down after this from A, B and C RHS is same. सबका RHS 2 है, so सबका LHS भी same होगा. So x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4. Okay, so this is very very easy. Alright, just x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 के लिए याद रखना है square this part. Okay, moving on to next question. Question number 12. If 2x minus 3y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 16, find the value of 8x cube minus 27y cube. We'll write down the given first. Okay, so 2x minus 3y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 16. Now students, in to find part there is cube. So if there is cube, we'll cube this on both the sides. If there was square, I would square it on both the sides. Simple. Okay, so there is cube, so हम लोग cube कर देते हैं. So consider this. 2x minus 3y is equal to 10. So 2x minus 3y put brackets cube is equal to 10 put brackets cube. Okay. Now this is of the form a minus b the whole cube. I know the identity. Okay, so I'll apply that over here. Now this is a cube, so a cube minus 3ab, 3 into a into b bracket a minus b minus b cube. Okay, so minus 3y put bracket cube. Simple. A cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b cube is equal to 10 cube. 10 का cube is 1000. 3 zeros आ जाएंगे. Okay. Now if you don't know this formula, you can use other formula also. A cube minus 3a square b, so that will be 3 into 2x square into 3y plus 3ab square, so 3 into 2x into 3y square plus b cube, so that is 3y minus b cube. So eventually you will get the answer. ठीक है, ये मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर मिलेगा. Eventually you have to take 3, 2x and 3y common. So even if you solve using this method, you have to take out common. Okay, so directly use this identity, or if you use this identity, then common निकालना ही है. Okay, so it depends what you want to do. ठीक है, ये करोगे तो 2 steps बढ़ जाएगा. ठीक है, and if you follow this identity, then it is little shorter method. Alright, so it's up to you whichever identity you want to use. So 3a square b plus 3ab square use करना है या फिर 3ab bracket a minus b, it depends on you. Just be careful with signs. I have already given you the easier way to remember the signs and the formula. Okay, refer to the expansions of cubes वाला video. Now 2 का cube 8, x का cube x cube. Multiply the numbers first. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. xy, this is 2x minus 3y. Now students, 2x minus 3y is 10. So into 10. Okay. This is the reason we took common. Even if you are using this method, you have to take common and substitute the value. Okay, so use this formula instead. It will be easier for you. Direct substitution हो जाएगा. 3 का cube 27, y का cube y cube is equal to 1000. Now 8x cube minus 27 y cube. So I'll group these. ठीक है. Now coming to this part. 18 into 10 180. xy, इसका value is 16. So I'll substitute the value. xy is 16 is equal to 1000. So 8x cube minus 27y cube is equal to 1000. ये माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. 180 into 16. 180 into 16 is 2880. Okay, ये negative है. When it goes on the other side, it becomes positive. So this will give 3880. So 8x cube minus 27y cube is equal to 3880. Okay, थोड़ा compact हो गया है. Write it properly. Now box the final answer. So 8x cube minus 27y cube is equal to 3880.